Okay, the last thing we're going to do this week, my honors, is we're going to start solving systems of equations. There's different ways to solve. We're going to learn 3. Today we're doing substitution. Next week we're going to do elimination. And then hopefully Kramer, or the following week we'll do Kramer. Solving a system is when you have more than one variable. Each variable you have to solve, you need another equation to be able to solve it. So 2 unknowns, you need 2 equations to solve it. Now substitution is you take one of the equations and solve for one of its variables. Then you take that information and put it into the other equation for that variable. So in this case, I already have one equation solved for a variable, so I'm going to put that in. That'd be x plus 2, x plus 1 equals 4. Forgot the 1. So then that's 3x. I'm going to subtract 1 to get the x's by themselves. So x equals 1. Now there's 2 unknowns, so I'm going to take that and put it in this x or this x. So y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. So y equals 3. So one answer is 1 or 3. 1, 3. And then you check it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 times 2 plus 1 is 3. So this one. Now, if you're solving by substitution, solve for an equation, solve for the variable that has a 1 or negative 1 in front of it, or you might have to deal with fractions. So that doesn't have 1 or negative 1, no. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to solve for this y. Now, if you do not have a variable with coefficient 1 or negative 1, I would use another variable. Or another method would be a better way to say it. But if you don't have a choice, if you have to do substitution, you're just going to have to deal with fractions. So here I'm going to subtract the 3x, so it's 5 minus 3x. Then I'm going to put that in for y. So 2x plus 3, parentheses, 5 minus 3x equals 8. So 2x plus, distribute the 3, 15 minus 9x equals 8. So I'm going to combine the x's, that'd be minus 7x, subtract the 15, and I get minus 7, 8 minus 15, so x equals 1 again. It's not always 1, but I'm trying to do nice numbers. So then y equals 5 minus 3 times 1, so y equals 2. So it's 1, 2. And it should cause both to be true. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes! Let's try another one. So I'm going to solve for, let's solve for this x. Or I could solve for this y. You could solve for any one of the 4. But if I did this one or this, I'd have fractions. Subtract x, divide by negative 3. So x equals 1. Oh, that should be a y. Sorry about that. 1 plus 3y. So I have 2 times 1 plus 3y equals 1. So 2 plus 6y. Oh, I left this y out. Ooh, good thing I caught it. So it's supposed to be 2 times 1 plus 3y plus y. Sorry about that. I feel so bad. Equals 1. Did I mess up? Oh, this is supposed to be 9. Oh my goodness, I need a vacation. This is 9. So, whoa, sorry about that. So subtract the 2, 7y equals 7, so y equals 1. So put 1 in, you'd have x equals 1 plus 3, which is 4. So my answer is 4, 1. Wow, watch out, easy mistake. Switch this with this by mistake, should not. Oh, how embarrassing. If I was at school right now, I'd be embarrassed. So subtract 4y, so 4 minus 4y. So I'd have 3 times 4 minus 4y. Oh my God, I am making a mess now. Subtract that, so that equals x. Put it in the first x. I think I may go home. Oh, wait a minute, I am home. So I have 12 minus 12y minus 2y equals 5. So I'm going to subtract the 12, combine these, it's minus 14y equals negative 7. Divide by negative 14y equals a half. So I'm going to put that back in. So 4 minus 4 times a half equals x. So 4 times a half is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I get 1/2 as my y, and my x is 2. So it's 2/2. Oh, mercy. So there's 2 more. Go ahead and try them before I fall apart and then turn me back on. Okay, so this one I'm going to solve for y. Minus y equals 4 minus 3x. Take the opposite of both sides. Y equals negative 4 plus 3x. Then I'll put that in for y of the first equation. So 5x plus 4 times minus 4 plus 3x equals 1. So 5x minus 16 plus 12x equals 1. So 17x equals 17. I added 16, combine the x. So x equals 1. Then I'm going to put that back into the first equation. 5 times 1 plus 4y equals 1. Subtract 5, 4y equals negative 4. So y equals negative 1. Woohoo! So, didn't make a boo-boo. Yes. This one. So solve for the x. X equals 8 minus 2y. Now I'm going to put that into the first equation for x. So 4 times 8 minus 2y plus 3y equals 17. So 32 minus 8y plus 3y equals 17. So minus 5y, subtract the 32, equals negative 15. So y equals 3. When I divide by negative 5, put 3 back in for y. 4x plus 3 times 3 is 9, equals 17. 4x subtract 9 equals 8, so x equals 2. Whoa! Then when I put x in, 2 in for x and put 3 in for y, I get the right answer. Now, your homework this week, and of course I'll list it, is those 4 pages you should know how to do, and you should do, and check the answers. These 2 are the ones that are due next week. Of course, Monday, Tuesday classes are due Wednesday. Thursday, Friday classes are due Friday night. But I don't check it till Sunday, so that's when you should have it in Sunday at noon. Now, after Sunday at noon, it's a 0, unless you have a really good excuse. By the way, this assignment I kind of wrote weird. It's page 141 to 142, 2, 3, 4, 8, 13 through 16, 18, 50, 55. I want you to solve using substitution. Don't read the directions. Okay, so 4 pages. But anyways, have a good day.